friends, today we'll be having some Hello Kitty fun. This video is brought to you by facepaintforumshop.com. I'm your artist rep Lily. Let's get started. So here I've got the one stroke. It's called Diva from Party Explosion, and you can find it at facepaintforumshop.com. And I've also got my 3/4 magic wand brush, and it does have an angle. Love it. Alrighty, now this is creating the backdrop, of course, for our Hello Kitty. Now I'm using a 1/2 inch magic wand brush. It does have an angle as well. And now we'll be creating Hello Kitty's, the shape of her face. So it's not completely round. It's more like a rectangle, but with curves. So we'll also create her ears here at the edges. And if it blends in a little bit with the background, no big deal. Just go over it and blend it right in with the rest of her face. Right now I'm taking the darkest color in that one stroke with my LOEW CORNELL round number 3. And I'll be creating her bow. Now her bow sits on an angle, typically in front of her left ear, but it's totally optional. It's up to you which ear you'd like to place the bow in front of. Also, as far as the bow, I'll typically ask the little girl if she prefers a pink bow or if she wants Hello Kitty to have a red bow. Here I'm just using the same one stroke. Alrighty, I've washed my brush and reloaded with DFX white. We're just creating some swirls and filigree here. Alrighty, and here I decided to add these kinds of stars. It's almost like a diamond shape. One of our other wonderful artist reps, Elizabeth Gale, she loves to use this shape in her creations as well. And so I just really thought it'd be fun to add these. Alrighty, now I've got my Art Factory FLORA brush. I've loaded it with white, and I'll be using that same Diva one stroke, just loading the tip of it for the center of those flowers. Now the wonderful thing about this particular FLORA brush is no matter how you stamp it and which way, it's always gonna look really organic and beautiful. Alrighty, we'll just add some white dots here. And I've taken the same LOEW CORNELL round number 3, loaded with DFX black, and I'm outlining her face. We'll also be outlining the bow, as well as giving her some eyes. And for her eyes, I'll just stamp my brush down, makes the perfect eye, and then I'll flick out for some eyelashes. Now here I've got my Superstar palette that I made, and I'm taking the Superstar yellow here. I'm actually going to mix it a little bit with the orange. Just want a deeper tone of yellow, just so it stands out on her face. All right. And I've also added highlights using that same yellow over the bow. I think it looks good because it's still in the same family there. Reds, yellows go together really well. I'm also filling in these stars. I think it just looks a lot brighter with the yellow. It just gives it more color. So I figured that would be a good idea. Alrighty, and we'll add some shine to her eyes. And then, of course, BERRYLICIOUS Chunky Glitter you can find at facepaintforumshop.com. Now, I didn't add whiskers to this Hello Kitty. You're totally able to add whiskers if you like. I just wanted her to look this way, just a little more simple. So, but it's totally optional. If you want to add whiskers, you absolutely can. She typically has 3 on each side. Alrighty guys, thanks so much for watching. This is your Hello Kitty. And you're done. Alrighty guys, I'll see you in the next one. And visit facepaintforumshop.com for much more.